this is a special breaking news report coming to you live from CKW Primary School. It is 8 a.m. on the 12th of March, and today we have some thrilling updates to share from our very own P1 students. Our P1 students went on an exciting trip to the fire station. They learned about the brave work of firefighters, and they even got to wear the firefighter uniform. Here are some photos of their adventure. But little did they know, this experience would make them dream big. Last week, our P1 students showcased their dream jobs in a fashion show in front of our brilliant judges and their classmates. Today, we are so excited to see these dreams come to life right here at CKW Primary School.